How do animals reproduce? This is the very important chapter of science of class 10th. And in this video, we are going to understand some very important questions and their answers. The first question है define pasteurization. Pasteurization क्या होता है उसे आपको define करना है. Answer is the birth of the fully developed fetus, that is called childbirth. The birth of the fully developed fetus is called pasteurization. And the second question is write names of one male and one female sex hormone. Male sex hormone is testosterone and female sex hormone is estrogen. Next question, where does fertilization take place in human females? Human females में fertilization किस प्लेस पे होता है, किस जगह होता है? In human female, fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube. If a woman is using a copper T, will it help in protecting her from sexually transmitted diseases? Answer is no. No, because sexually transmitted diseases occur due to fluid contact that takes place in the vagina. Next question is define the terms unisexual and bisexual, giving one example of each. Unisexual. In most of the animals, including humans, male and female reproductive organs are in different individuals. Such animals are called unisexual. Bisexual. In some animals like tapeworm, liver fluke, earthworm, leech, etc., the male and female reproductive organs are found in a single individual. Such organisms are called bisexual. और इन्हें हम hermaphrodite भी कहते हैं. Hermaphrodite. The flower may be unisexual और bisexual. फ्लावर भी क्या हो सकता है, यूनिसेक्सुअल या बाइसेक्सुअल हो सकता है. द फ्लावर मे बी यूनिसेक्सुअल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल papaya, watermelon, when it contains either stamens or carpels. And bisexual, for example hibiscus, mustard, when it contains both stamens and carpels. Next question is why does menstruation occur? Menstruation occurs in human females only when the egg is not fertilized by the male sperm. Since the egg is not fertilized, the thick and soft uterus lining having a lot of blood capillaries in it is not required. Thus, the unfertilized ovum disintegrates within a day and the uterus lining also breaks down. As the uterus lining containing a lot of blood vessels, when it sets, blood along with other tissues is released. This comes out of the vagina in the form of bleeding, and this process is called menstruation, and this is the reason of menstruation. The next question is what would be the reasons for adopting contraceptive methods? The reasons for adopting contraceptive methods are number 1, protection from sexually transmitted diseases. Number 2, restricting the number of children. Number 3, maintaining sufficient gap between successive births. Number 4, enjoying a good reproductive health. And number 5, controlling population. The next question is what is placenta? Mention its role during pregnancy. Placenta is a special tissue connection between embryo and uterus wall. It acts as an endocrine gland. Role of placenta: number 1, it possesses villi, that increases the surface area of the absorption of nutrients. Number 2, it facilitates passes of nutrition and oxygen to embryo from mother through blood. Number 3, waste substances produced by embryo are removed through placenta into mother's blood. So this is the very important part, placenta, and it plays very important roles. These were some very important questions and their answers of science of class 10th. In the next video, I will explain some very important questions of science of class 10th. So don't forget that video also, and subscribe the channel AR Study Circle. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.